This is the second video on animation. This is a way to make it a little nicer, where you can actually show where you want the camera to be, when the different pieces, when your animation is moving. You can use this for any animation throughout the year. So I've already done my basic. Let me go through it real quick. So basically this is the original animation. This is the kind of thing that was showing you how to do in the first one. What you can do now is to make it fancier. I can expand all of these. I'm going to expand all these different things. But first, I need to right-click on this funnel, or just left-click, I'm sorry, left-click on this funnel and pick Sequence View. So I left-clicked on the funnel, Sequence View. Now I have this task up here, which is what I really want. These are my sequences. I'm going to expand each one of those so I can tell which one is which color. So I can tell which part it is that I moved. Okay, then I right-click on task 1 and I click edit. So I'm going to edit these views for my sequence. So sequence 1, I can see is my red piece. So if I rotate over here so that I've got the red piece kind of in the way that I want it to be, maybe zoom in a little bit, maybe move it up a little bit, I'm going to do that. And now I'm going to sequence 1, set camera, and apply. I'm going to do the same for each of these other things. So I'm just going to go through it again. So I'm going to click this drop down, go to sequence 2. Sequence 2 is my yellow. So I'll put that there. I'm just doing this just so you can see what they look like. Set camera, apply. I go to sequence 3. That is my purple piece. And that's going to move in kind of like that. Move it over a little bit. Set camera, apply. And then finally sequence 4 is my green. And I'm going to go here and set camera and apply and OK. Now I'm going to click the house to go back to my home view. And now when I animate, watch what it does. It moves wherever that camera was to show these different pieces coming in. So you can make it a little fancier and get it to back like this. Now there's something you don't know how it's going to end, so I might want to, I'm going to do this just one, I'm going to edit just my sequence 4 because I want to make sure that when I'm done that my whole cube is visible. So I'm going to put it right there, set camera, apply, OK. And so now let's see how that works. So my red piece sliding up, yellow coming in, purple around, and now see I'm coming out so that when I'm done, I've got my cube there. I could have zoomed that in a little bit more. But that's basically all you have to do, and it just makes for nicer. And for this one, it's kind of an interesting thing to play with. And for some of the other animations, some of the other things that we design, there may be something moving that you can't see unless you've done that. So that's how you can do that.